Hello, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share my 2016 holiday projects. I actually have several 2016 holiday projects. One, which is a trio of houses or a holiday village. This is the first style of house. All right. This house is super unique in so many ways, guys. One, there are these windows that you can put photos in or super cute elements, three-dimensional elements if you want to put in there. As you can see, they're all on all three sides. Another unique element is that you can see inside the house and there's a mini album in there. All right. So you can decorate with three-dimensional items inside the house and the windows. I left the back undone without a door so you can see inside. All right. There's a little mini tree in there. You can do a fireplace, or you could just let the paper do all of the work for you. It is up to you. You can put lights, as you can see. This hides in here in a hole in here. I just haven't put it in there yet. So, but that's the light mechanism. All right. So those are the important features on the outside. All right. So you can see inside the house, you can decorate in the house, and these windows are just dynamite. Okay. They're gorgeous. Now, the roof line comes off, and this is where your mini album goes. Okay. Right in here, you got a really nice size mini album for all of your holiday photos, and it's beautifully finished on all four sides. So this can be a piece that you can set out for viewing on 360 degrees or 180 degrees, whatever you want. So this is called the Holiday Village Trio. There's three houses that I'm currently working on. Alrighty, this is the first style. And let me give you a sneak peek of the second style. So this one it's nowhere near done, but it's not decorated, doesn't have the window frames, nothing. But look at that roof line, guys. How gorgeous is that roof line? And look at it on the inside. Well, it's not even glued to the platform yet. All right. You can see forget the platform. You can see it on the inside. All right. There you go. See that how beautiful? You can decorate on the inside of this. And another fabulous part about this one is you get a really large picture window. And you if you put three-dimensional items in here, let's just say inside, you will be able to see all the way to the other end. I just did not have the items to create a scenery with, okay? So I chose paper. But if you create a scenery, you will be able to see your scenery all the way to that opposite side. All right, guys, that is how spectacular these roof lines are. And I promise you, I take you step by step on how to make these. These are not hard to make. But I don't like to fake the funk with you guys. I like to tell you the facts. You see these windows here, all these openings you got to make? This is a doorway, so there'll be a door here. This will have window frames and all that good stuff. But these you're going to be hating life cutting these out because there's so many of them. You're going to get tired and you're going to have a few choice names for me, okay? I'm just letting you know now. They're not difficult to put together, but this here is laborious. All right? You're going to need a lot of blades for your X-Acto knife. But if you have a really good blade, you will be able to cut these out in no time. All right? So, and you need the windows because the windows are what allow you, see, you can see my hand on the other side, allow you to see all the way through. You can put your three-dimensional items in here, and then you have your scenery in the roof line, which is gorgeous. If you haven't noticed yet, the papers I'm using for these houses are the Graphic 45 Saint Nicholas collection. All right. You will need two paper pads for these houses because you need four sheets of the same pattern to cover the house all the way around. All right. All of the decorations you see on this first house here, these are from Michael's in the mini tree section. So go to wherever you get your Christmas supplies and look in the mini tree section. This is from the mini tree section. You can pick up a ton of decorations in that section there, okay? And I use the 12 by 12 pads as you can see. Once I'm done with all three houses and the mini albums, I'll come back to show you a final review. But look at how cute these three-dimensional items look uh, attached to your house or inside the windows. Just the possibilities are endless, guys. I was talking about in a little chit chat class I had how gorgeous would it be to do a manger up here in this window. You'll be able to see it all the way across to the other side. Again, possibilities are endless. And these are not just limited to Christmas. You can make these houses for Halloween, obviously Christmas, a beach theme, ski lodge, cabins, and even a spring Easter style village. Whatever you want, guys, you can make these. They are dynamite. And the fact that you can have a display area and a mini album, seriously, unbelievable. I can't wait to see what you guys do with yours. Remember, I'm gonna link you down below. I'm not gonna lick you. I'm gonna link you down below so you can get the trio for all three houses and you can get started right now making these. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'll be back with a final review. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek. Bye bye.